Second grade students are expected to show number fluency up to 1200. In this activity, students show their understanding of numbers by counting backwards. Please laminate these cards and provide a dry erase marker so that students can write the numbers in the boxes before they transfer them onto the task card. So this is counting backwards. Excuse me. 1120, 1119. The next number would be 1118 because it is counting by ones, but backwards it's reducing. So, and then 1117, 1116, 1115, 1114, 1113 is given here, 1112. Now, once this is done, I copy this 1120, 1119, 1118, 1117, 1116, 1115, 1114, 1113, 1112. And then I use an eraser and erase this sheet for the other person to use. Now the next one is 847, 846, 845, 844, 843. If I have a doubt, what would be the next number? I can take the help of reference sheet where the numbers are given up to 1300. Yes, 1300. So this is 1 to 100, 100 to 200, 300, and so on. So if if I have a problem with 846, 800, so I go look for 800s. Here it is. And 843, 843, I got that, and I'm counting backwards. So 843, 1 less than 843 is 842, 841, 840, 839, 840, 839. Now once I'm done with this, I copy these numbers onto the task card. 847, 846, 845, 844, 843, 842, 841, 840, and 839. Directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations, and answers provide immediate feedback. And here are the reference cards for numbers.